It's today I'm gonna be doing a room tour. So welcome to my room, and this is Coco, by the way. He's a little dog. So let's start. So over here, we have a picture of me. So that was when I was like 4 years old. Then we have some decoration here, and my little tower of Paris. Another picture of me with a dog that's not my dog, by the way. And over here I have my dog collection. And yeah. So this is Ariel, that's Rapunzel, that's Jasmine, that's the Little Mermaid, that's Belle, and Cinderella up there. I don't know the rest of the names. And over here is my bed. So over here is my fluffy big pillow that I love, and my night light with my little curtains, and another picture of me when I was a baby with mirrors over here around it. And we have these over here. That one says in Paris. That one says Be Wild, my child, and the other one over there says Dream Big, my little one. And over here, my nightstand with my lamp and a little box over here, and my little flowers, and another picture of me with mirrors around it and little like diamonds, and my little alarm / clock. And over here are one of my favorite pillows that has lashes on them. And this one that is fluffy and it's so soft. And another picture of me, and it's so pretty with my little dress and a little mirror around it. And down here are my dressers with these really cute handles. They're like diamonds. And over here on bottom of my nightstand, another picture of me when I was a baby. This was one of my first pictures my parents took of me. And yeah, have my little unicorn bank that is gold, and it doesn't have anything in it yet. And then another decoration that's really cute, and I love it. And that's my room. Thanks for watching. Bye. Sorry for my dog crying in the background.